Good afternoon everyone. Okay, let us start with the number 9. So look at this. You have to find the unknown angles in each of the following figure. So you must draw the figure. In this one you have to find this x, y, z and this t angle. So let us first find out the x. So you can see that x and 100 are adjacent. So you can write x plus 100 degree is equals to 180 degree. The reason will be linear pair are supplementary. Okay. Next, from here you will find out the value of x, that is 180 minus 100, and you will get x equals to 80 degree. Okay. Let us find out the value of y. Y and 120 are opposite angle, so they are forming they will be equal by the property y equals to by the property vertically opposite angle. So y will be equals to 120 degree. The reason will be vertically opposite angle. Okay. Next, find out z. Okay, let us first find out t. 100 and t are forming co-interior angle because the structure is like this. So I have told that these two angles will be co-interior and the sum of the co-interior angles is 180 degree. So here you will write t plus 120 degree is equals to 180 degree. The reason will be co-interior angles are supplementary. Okay. So from here you will find out the value of t, that is 180 minus 120. T will be how much? 60 degree. Next we have to find the value of z. So in this case we are not finding any of we cannot use any of the property either corresponding or co-interior or anything. So first we have to find the value of this angle. We have to find the value of this angle. So let us write it as a. So what will be the value of a? A and 120 are forming co-interior angle na? So first we will find out the value of a. A plus 120 is equals to 180. The reason will be co-interior angles are supplementary. So the value of a will be 180 minus 120, that is equals to 60 degree. Okay, you will not box it because we don't have to find the value of a. We have to find the value of z. Now z and a are forming vertically opposite angle, so you can write it as z equals to a equals to 60 degree vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. So the value of z is what? 60 degree. Fine. So wherever you need to name the angle, you must name it as a, b, c, d if necessary. Okay, here we have to name it as a, that's why I have named it. Okay, let us move to the next number. In this also you have to find four unknown angles, that is x, y, z and the value of t. So look here, we can easily find out the value of t na, because t and 120 are vertically opposite angle. So write down t equals to 120 degree. The reason will be vertically opposite angle. Okay. Next, which angle we should find out? Just see this. Okay, here we are getting a Z-like structure. Okay, so y and t will be what? Y and t will be interior alternate angle. Interior alternate angle. So the value of y will be also 120 degree. Next, what we have to find? Just okay, let us name it as a. Let us name it as a because we are not finding any of the relation. So let us name it as a, and a and 50 will be linear pair. So they will be equals to 180 degree. The reason will be linear pair are supplementary. So the value of a will be what? 180 minus 50, that is equals to 130 degree. Next you can easily find out z na, because z is on the left hand side of this line and a is also on the left hand side of this line. So z and a will be what? Z and a will be corresponding angle. So write down z equals to a corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. So the value of z will be 130 degree. So we have find out the values of 3 unknown angles, and the next only x is left over. So x you can easily find out. X and z are forming linear pair. So write down x plus z is equals to 180 degree, and the reason will be linear pair. Okay, write down this yourself. Next, x plus z means 130 degree equals to 180 degree. So the value of x will be 50 degree. Okay. So basically these are the lengthiest sum of this exercise. So you have to practice all these very nicely. Moving to next slide, number 10. In the given figure, L is parallel to M and P is parallel to Q. Find the value of x, y, z. So you have to find the value of x, y, z. So look here, we are getting a z-like structure. So this x will be equals to 70. So x equals to 70 degree. The reason will be interior alternate angle. Okay. Next, x and z are adjacent angle, so they will be their sum will be supplementary. Equals to 180 degree. The reason will be linear pair are supplementary. Linear pair are supplementary. From here find out the value of z, that is 180 minus 70 degree. The value of z will be 110 degree. Next we have to find the value of y. So y and z are forming co-interior na. Look at this, or you can use this property also. Here z-like structure is being formed, so y will be equals to x, or you can use this property y plus z equals to 180. Anyone, you whatever you wish. So y equals to x. The reason will be interior alternate angle. Value of y will be 70 degree. This one was easy. Okay, let us move to next one, that is number 11. Okay, fine. Look here. First in this AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF, and you have to find the value of x, y and z. So look here, a z-like structure is formed. Z-like structure is being formed, isn't it? So this 140 will be equals to x. So write down x degree is equals to 140 degree. The reason will be interior alternate angle. Interior alternate angle. Next you can see here that this one is a complete angle, and you know that the complete angle is equals to 360 degree. So we can use the property here that x plus y plus 120 degree is equals to 360 degree. The reason will be complete angle. You know the value of x, that is 140 degree. You have to find the value of y. So find it out. Y equals to 360 minus 062. So the value of y is 100 degree. Okay. Next z. Look here, y and z is forming a structure like this, means this one is y, this one is z. So they are co-interior angles. So y plus z equals to 180 degree. The reason will be co-interior angles are supplementary. So find the value of z from here. You will get it as 80 degree. Okay. I hope you are getting what I am trying to say. Okay. So basically you have to practice all these sums again and again to get the concept cleared. Moving to number 12. Here also you have to find the value of x, y and z. So let us see what we can find out here. Okay, a structure like this is forming now. Here this one is 115 degree, and here this one is x plus 30. Okay, because this angle is divided into two parts, x and 30, so this angle is x plus 30. So on adding these two, it will be equals to 180 degree because they are co-interior angles. So write down here 115 degree plus x plus 30 degree equals to 180 degree. The reason will be co-interior angles are supplementary. Find out the value of x, that is 180 degree minus 145 degree. X is equals to 35 degree. Okay, so the value of x is what? 35 degree. Yes. Okay, next we have to find y. So here a z-like structure is formed. Look here, a z-like structure is formed. So this y will be equals to what? Y will be equals to 115 degree. Y equals to 115 degree. The reason will be interior alternate angle. Next, here also a z-like structure is being formed. So this z will be equals to whole this angle, means z is equals to x plus 30 degree. The reason will be interior alternate angle, and you know the value of x now, that is 35 degree. So put it and find out the value of z. You will get it as 65 degree. Fine. Okay, moving to next number, that is number 13. Let us solve this swastik. Here we have to find x, y, z and t. Fine. So it's very obvious that here structure like this is being formed. So 100 and x will be co-interior angle. So 100 plus x equals to 180 degree. The reason will be co-interior angles are supplementary. So from here find out the value of x, that is 180 minus 100, x is 80 degree. Okay, next moving to y. Look at this, x is on the left hand side of this line and y is also left hand side of this line. So x and y will be equal by the property corresponding angle. So x equals to y, the reason will be corresponding angles. So if x is 80 degree, y has to be also 80 degree. Next z. Okay, to find out z, you are getting a z-like structure, isn't it? So x and z will be equal. So x equals to z, reason will be interior alternate angle. So the value of z is also 80 degree. Next, to find out find out t, we have to find a relation, but we are not getting any relation. So we will name this angle as a. We will name this angle as a. Okay. Then we have to find the value of a. What will be the value of a? X was 80 degree. So a will also be 80 degree by vertically opposite angle. Next, a and t will form co-interior angle, and then you can easily find out the value of t. Or you can, okay. Look at this. This was a nice question. No need to name it as a. We are getting one relation. Very carefully. Okay, look at this. A z-like structure like this, na? Okay, so this one is 100 degree. This will also be 100 degree. Write down t equals to 100 degree. The reason will be interior alternate angle. Very nice question. So our swastik is finally solved. Moving to next one, number 14. First, let us find out x, because here a complete angle is being formed. So x plus 40 plus 270 is equals to 360 degree. So x plus 819 11 310 equals to 360. So the value of x is 360 minus 310, that is 50 degree. Okay. Next, let us find out the value of y. Okay, look this one. What will be this angle? This will be 90 degree. Why? Let me tell you why this will be 90 degree, because x is equals to 50 na, x is equals to 50. So 40 plus 50 equals to 90, and you know that these are co-interior angles, the sum will be equals to 180 degree. So if this add up to 90 degree, this has to be 90 degree. So this one is 90 degree, I am marking it in figure as like this, because box means 90 degree. So look this one very carefully, this one is a parallel line and this one is a parallel line, okay, means a structure like this you are getting, and this one is x and this one is 90 plus y, okay. I don't know whether this sum will come in exam or not, but you can practice this sums, okay, but the chances is very less. So you have to write here x plus 90 degree plus y equals to 180 degree. Value of x is 50, 90 plus y equals to 180 degree. To solve all these problems, you have to study the diagram very carefully. Then only you will get understand what you have to do or what you have not to do. Equals to 40 degree. So the value of y equals to 40 degree. Next you have to find the value of z. So how to find out? Here a straight angle is being forming. Look at this, a straight angle is being forming. So you will write 90 plus y plus z equals to 180 degree. The reason will be straight angle. So 90 plus y means 40 plus z equals to 180 degree. The value of z will be 180 minus 130 degree, that is z equals to how much? 50 degree. Last we have to find this one, that is t. So t and z are adjacent to each other, so t and z will add up to 180 degree. T plus z is equals to 180 degree. The reason will be linear pair are supplementary. So the value of t will be equals to what? 130 degree. So finally we have got all the 4 unknown angles. Okay, let us move to next one, that is number 16. Here also you have to find the 3 unknown angles, that is x, y and z. X, y and z. So at first sight only I found out the structure like this, a z like structure. So 100 will be equals to x, means x equals to 100 degree. This one is x, okay, x equals to 100 degree, interior alternate angle. Next one we have to solve this one. So let us name it as a, because we are not finding any relationship between y, z and x, okay. So let us name it as a. X and a will form what? X and a will form co-interior angle, because a structure like this is forming. So x plus a equals to 180 degree. From here you will find out the value of a, that is 80 degree. Oh, no need to box it. A is 80 degree. If A is 80 degree, then y has to be 80 degree, because they are vertically opposite angle. So write down y equals to a, vertically opposite angle. So the value of y is equals to 80 degree. Moving to next one, that is A and Z. A and Z are again forming co-interior angles. Structure like this. This one is A, this one is Z. So their sum will be equals to 180 degree. So A plus Z is equals to 180 degree. The value of A is 80 and Z we don't know. We have to find out the value of Z. So Z will be equals to 100 degree. Fine. Okay. The last sum of this exercise, that is number 17. In number 17 you don't have to find any angle, but you have to prove that whether AB is parallel to CD or not. So let us start with the number 1. In number 1, look at this. If this one is 40, this has to be 40 degree, because they are vertically opposite angle. So name it as A. Write down A equals to 40 degree. vertically opposite angle. Okay, next these are co-interior angles na, A and 130 are co-interior angles. So you have to find the value of A plus 130 degree, that is equals to 40 plus 130 degree, that is equals to what, 170 degree. But you know that co-interior angles is equals to, the sum of co-interior angles are equal to 180 degree, but this one is not equals to 180 degree. So you will write here not equals to 180 degree. It means A and 130 degree are not co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Therefore, AB is not parallel to CD. Okay, if you write AB parallel to CD, then you have to write like this. If not, then AB, just cut this. This will be not parallel to. Okay, this one is parallel to, and this one is not parallel to. Fine. So in number 1, AB and CD were not parallel. So let us look at this number 2. Number 2, a Z-like structure is forming. So this must be equals to this, but here they are not equal. So how to write this? Means this one is also not parallel. So how to write this? Angle BAD, look at here, BAD means this angle and angle ADC are pair of alternate angles, but angle BAD is equals to 50 degree and angle ADC is equals to 40 degree. Therefore, angle BAD is not equals to angle ADC, hence AB is not parallel to CD. Okay, so this was number 4. I have explained 1 and 4. Moving to next one, that is number 2. Look at this one, number 2. 180. Fine, this one is very nice one. So we don't have any relationship between 180. So let us name it as A and name it as B. A and 100 are forming linear pair, B and 80 are forming linear pair. So from here we will find out the value of A and 100 equals to 180 degree. So the value of A will be 180 minus 100, that is equals to 80 degree. Similarly, B plus 80 equals to 180 degree. So the value of B will be 180 minus 80, that is 100 degree. You will write the reason, linear pair, that one you will write here also the same thing. Next, A and B are co-interior angles. So write down A and B are pair of co-interior angles. Therefore, A plus B is equals to, A is what? A is 80 plus B is 100 degree and you are getting 180 degree. Okay, if this would, like last one, means if I show this one here on adding, we were not getting 180 degree, so they were not parallel. But in next case here we are getting 180 degree, so this one will be parallel, means AB will be parallel to CD. Okay, this was number 2. Let us start with number 3. Name it as A. Okay, so A will be 60 degree because vertically opposite angle. So on adding 120 and A, it must be equals to 180 degree because they are co-interior angles. So 120 plus 60 is giving 180 degree, hence AB is parallel to CD, and nothing to write here. Okay, this was number 3. Let us do number 5, the last sum. Okay, these are co-interior angles na, write down 75 degree and 100 degree. 75 degree and 100 degree are pair of co-interior angles. So on adding 75 and 100, that must be equals to 180 degree, but this is not equals to 180 degree. Therefore AB is not parallel to CD. Okay. So here the chapter is completed. Next you have to practice all these sums very nicely to get your concept very cleared. Okay. Thank you.